Good afternoon. My name is Roxana Beltran Ramirez. I am 29 years old. I am auxiliary nursing. I live in Granada Meta. Study health administration in the university and the Acacias. What I was aware live in the Hope, Bogota. I like playing with my cousin. I live in the country with my father and mother. I playing with my sister in the kids. When I was 12 years old, I crashed in the cars. Study and school in Facatativá. I live my life in Bogota. Wars and the nanny. I would husband. I have a son. What I love, him so much. Good as him the many beautiful things. I live is very beautiful. You hope to enjoy everything and travel, play, lounge, chat with in family and friends. Thank you. Goodbye.